There is still no sign when, or on the other hand if, the 35 million alleged trailblazers who mine on the Pi organization are truly going to profit from their coins. Starting around the 20th of October 2022, still no coins are being exchanged. There have been no exchanges and no fiat rewards. This makes it hard to lay out the value of Pi coin. Before we go any further, it is essential to recognize Pi organization's coin from the Pi organization DEFI token, which runs on the Binance blockchain and is accessible for exchanging on the PancakeSwap decentralized trade. Anyway, what is Pi organization and how can it function? Maybe you have known about the new digital currency and are pondering Pi as a likely venture. This video gives an outline of what the Pi organization plans to accomplish and how Pi cost assumptions have arisen before a solitary coin has been exchanged. What is Pi organization? Pi organization is a computerized cash project that intends to keep digital money mining open, as the centralization of original monetary forms like Bitcoin has put mining them past the range of numerous regular clients. The Pi organization, created by a group of Stanford College graduates, empowers clients to mine Pi digital money coins utilizing its work area and cell phone applications, approving exchanges on a dispersed record, not at all like hubs on organizations. For example, Bitcoin that utilization confirmation of work conventions. Pi hubs utilize a calculation in light of the Heavenly Agreement Convention. Pi hubs approve exchanges on a conveyed record and arrive at an agreement on the request for new exchanges that the record records. Under SCP, Pi hubs structure security circles, or gatherings, of 3 to 5 believed individuals known to every one of the organization's clients. Security circles fabricate a worldwide trust network that forestalls deceitful exchanges, as exchanges must be approved on the common record on the off chance that the believed hubs support them. The Pi mining application goes about as a digital currency wallet, connected to a client's cell phone number or Facebook account. Similarly as with other public blockchains, the Pi blockchain will permit outside wallets to hold Pi coins and submit exchanges straightforwardly to the blockchain. Nonetheless, not at all like other blockchains, its engineers have not yet delivered its source code, with marking in light of the numerical steady P. Stage 1 of the undertaking sent off on Pi Day, 14 Walk 2019, with a free Pi mining application. By June, the organization had in excess of 100,000 dynamic clients. As with other cryptos, for example, Bitcoin, Pi was intended to go through normal dividing to safeguard its shortage. Splitting is the point at which the quantity of coins an excavator gets for handling new exchanges is decreased significantly. This generally happens when a specific achievement is reached. Pi's mining rate divided from 1.6p to 0.8p an hour when it arrived at 100,000 clients, split again to 0.4p an hour when it arrived at 1 million. And divided again to 0.2p when it arrived at 10 million clients. The prizes will keep on splitting, arriving at 0 when the organization arrives at 1 billion clients. In November 2021, the improvement group began delivering tech and item refreshes. These incorporated its pilot Know Your Client application and Block Pioneer. Having been tried with local area mediators, the KYC application pilot was sent on a restricted premise to begin the most common way of confirming trailblazers and to work on the application's ease of use and machine mechanization. The Pi Block Wayfarer, which assists trailblazers with seeing exchange history and investigate exchange information like source, beneficiary, and sum, was additionally sent. The Pi wallet was likewise refreshed, empowering the engineers to make pop-up messages to caution trailblazers when they get an installment on the blockchain, and fixing a bug for Android clients who couldn't see their wallet passphrase. Pi organization sent off an encased mainnet on the 28th of December 2021 to keep testing in front of its full send-off. It likewise presented another mining component and framework to give trailblazers a reenactment of the forthcoming mining equation. The KYC application was at first sent off to a couple thousand pilot members for testing, with 100 trailblazers allowed per nation or district. The encased organization time frame implies that the mainnet is live, however, with a firewall that forestalls any undesirable outside network. Trailblazers will actually want to set aside some margin to KYC and relocate their Pi to the live mainnet blockchain. Any equilibrium relocated to the mainnet can be utilized, by the decision of the trailblazer, to buy labor and products in Pi applications, move to different trailblazers, or get secured for a length of time for a higher mining rate. On Pi Day this year, the improvement group reported 2 additional updates: the rollout of a mass KYC arrangement, and another Pi mining component that permits more assorted mining rewards. These activities might actually upgrade the worth to publicists. The engineers added that they were carrying out KYC for an enormous scope to qualified clients on 16 Walk. Pi coin cost forecast 2022 to 2025. Cryptographic money information supplier CoinMarketCap recently recorded the worth of the coin at $0. Starting around the 20th of October, the site records the coin as unmanaged, with no cost join. The site additionally gives the accompanying disclaimer while endeavoring to see Pi coin's worth. Pi organization has confronted its reasonable portion of debate as of late. Kindly do your own examination prior to money management. Calculation-based determining destinations wallet financial backer and have additionally recently recorded an expected cost of $0 Pi coin. Last year, gave a Pi organization cost expectation for 2022 that saw the coin exchanging at a normal of 1 cent over time. Pi organization cost expectation for 2025 showed a likely cost of 2 cents, demonstrating conceivable development all through 2023 and 2024. It then, at that point, anticipated the token could cost 3 cents in 2028. Be that as it may, neither one of the sites is presently giving a Pi cost expectation. However, both have postings for the Pi organization DEFI coin. As a matter of fact, no calculation-based conjecture site is right now giving out a Pi cryptographic money esteem expectation. In that capacity, any Pi organization cost expectation for 2030 would be profoundly theoretical. The Pi coin esteem in 2030 could rely upon when the cryptographic money goes live for exchanging and how well it performs after the send-off. Gauges from certain clients via online entertainment range from $1 to many dollars. It's critical to remember that digital money markets remain very unpredictable, making it challenging to precisely foresee what a coin's cost will be in a couple of hours, and, surprisingly, harder to give long-haul gauges, for example, for the Pi cryptographic money esteem in 2025. Thusly, experts can and do misunderstand their forecasts. What is the eventual fate of the Pi coin? Presently, banter go on regarding whether Pi organization is a benevolent drive or a trick. In the event that it is a trick, it's anything but a conventional one in the style of a Ponzi plot. As clients are not putting away their cash, they are financial planning time on their cell phones. The association has been condemned for supposedly taking advantage of its local area by promoting to arrive at these 35 million clients. That figure comes from a declaration the stage made on Twitter on the 19th of May. There have been no reports in regards to the complete number of trailblazers since. Nonetheless, early adopters are amassing the Pi crypto in expectation that the cost will rise pointedly after the organization goes live. Albeit the coin's mining rate has been diminished by dividing. Clients can expand their mining rate by interfacing with other dynamic diggers. New clients can join the Pi organization in the event that they have a reference code from another client. The venture's engineers guarantee that security on the Pi organization is improved by these individual organizations, empowering clients to get loved ones, which has fueled wariness that it very well may be a staggered promoting or fraudulent business model. In any case, it is significant that clients can procure coins from their own immediate organizations, and not from their associations' organizations, similarly as with the MLM Conspire. Pi organization has kept on demanding it isn't running an underlying coin offering or crowdfunding deal, and coins that can be mined on the encased mainnet presently stay in the biological system. On 11 Walk, the designers said that the encased organization period would give trailblazers time to elapse KYC confirmation